In this video, I'll show you how to delete a directory on your Android phone. You have to use a file manager app to delete directories, and I use the files by Google. This is the Google file manager and it's pretty useful for me. I can do lots of things here, and it also recognizes the internal storage versus the SD card storage. This is Android 15 Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and that's why I have an SD card. There is 1 terabyte SD card in there. And to delete a directory, first you have to navigate to the directory you want to delete on the internal storage or SD card if you have it. And I suggest to use the storage option here and not the categories from the top. You have more options from here. Let's go to a directory I want to delete. I have this directory, the sent, and I go in this directory, and actually you could delete files also the same way. These are files here, and I'm choosing you. So you can select multiple directories or files. So here, for example, I have these 3 directories, and I long press on the number 2 and 3 and 1. I can select all of them, but I could choose not to delete the third one. To select multiple items, long press on one of them, and then you can select any of them. And I choose not to delete the third one. I will delete, or maybe I delete 1 and 3, keep the number. I will delete directory 1 and 3, keep the second one. And after that, I press here, and you have the delete permanently option. You might also have the delete, which goes to the recycle bin. And if you use delete permanently, the files are gone, you cannot recover them. So only if you go to a data recovery center, then you might be able to recover something, but it's not for sure. So delete permanently will free up the space also. So this is important to know, that if you use the delete, simple delete, it will not really delete them. It will just put them in a recycle bin, but this is permanent here and cannot be undone. So undelete them. I could do the same here. I could select this directory and choose delete permanently. But it's interesting, if you select only files, you will be able to use this delete option, which is moving them to the bin. But this is not permanent. You can undo this. You can undo that. You see them, they are now called .trashed. And I will delete this folder also. That's how you delete the folders permanently. And if you want to delete the files permanently also, I select them, delete permanently, and they're gone. Same with this file, for example. If I wanted to delete it permanently, it would be gone. Just like that. Thanks for watching. Be careful what you delete though.